Okay, hello dear students, hello dear professors. Um, Today I want to talk about how to give a presentation. Okay, this is an important point, especially when you start your academic career in the master level. In master and PhD, you should have a seminar, you should have a presentation, and here we have some points to how to give a presentation. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so first of all, what I want to say about presentations, uh, you feel nervous, you feel stress when you have a presentation. What I want to say, it's pretty normal. It's pretty normal. You have a stress, you have a nervous. It's pretty normal. Just don't give up. Just don't give up your education career. Just you don't give up your educational course because of stress of the presentation. Okay, after having one, two, three, I don't know, however, depend on your skill, this stress reduce hardly. Okay, severely. This stress gradually disappear, and you feel better about your presentations. Okay, so I remember in University of Shahrud, for example, because of high level of stress among students about presentation and seminars, some of the students give up the course in the master level. It is absurd opinion, however. Don't think about give up however, your educational course just because of the stress of presentation. Okay, let's go. I'm Hamid Ruafsa. How to give a presentation. I'm PhD student in University of Kholistan. Let's go. So start from how to write a. Oh my god, my phone is ringing. However, it's not important. Okay, about how to have a presentation, you should have a strategy about your presentation. Try to, in your presentation, have a gist, have a less is more. What I want to say, less is more. You have a very gist, you have very brief presentation is more better than have a long, long presentation. You have a 50 minute or 20 minutes for presentation is enough. So it's better to stick to your 3 points and your overall point. Maybe 3 points, 2 points. I want to deliver this. I want to deliver this. Okay, super simple, super easy. And don't try to bury your audience with information. When you have a presentation, maybe you are forced to read several books. This is not necessary to bury your audience with this information. Just have a gist, and you should deliver this gist, these main points to your audience. Okay. My god, my phone is continuously ringing. Okay, practice is another point you should consider. Practice, very important. Many of the students before their presentation never practice, never check the presentation. It's very big point, or maybe because of lack of the time, or however neglect this very important point. You should record yourself in the record yourself by by your phone camera, or you record your voice by however audio tape. It is very important. Is show your weak points, is show your strange points about your presentation. So it's very important to before a seminar, before a presentation, you have a practice with your friends, practice your electronic device. It increase your self-esteem, it increase your increase your skill about have a good presentation. Okay, let's so as a second point, I guess practice before have a presentation. And another point about dressing, about clothing, is very important point. Many of students disconsider this important point. Dress appropriately. Yeah, have a suitable dress and clothes for a presentation is very important. So for example, you maybe want to show something in the slide. You want to show you want to comfortably move your hand, however, for example. So it's very important to have a dress comfortably. And about however appearance in the seminar is another thing. However, for example, very brilliant color in the clothing is very is not recommended. However, so about dress formally. If you are men or however woman, dress formally. It is we are in the academic place. However, avoid from very jaunty manner, jaunty dressing, clothing, however, and dress formally and dress comfortably for seminar, for presentation. Okay. Oh my god. And when you are presenting, when you are in the seminar, talk more slowly. It's very important. You should have an understandable presentations. You should send your information gradually, slowly to your audience. So it's better to talk slowly. Even in some aspect, make a pause and learn to be comfortable with silence. Yeah, have a silence among your presentation. Have a pause in your presentation is not very bad. Okay, use silence in your presentation. Generally talk more slowly, make your audience understand your information in better way. And finally, in final point, I want to say, have eye contact with your audience. Just not stare on computer screen, not stare on the however slide. Have a consistent eye contact with your audience. It helps audience to understand you in better. However, try to make eye contact with almost everyone. It's very important. You should try to all of the audience engage in your presentation by have a eye contact with all of them. Okay, engage your audience in your presentation. Okay, this is 5 however point I want to mention as someone who is a PhD student and have some presentation, I guess. But by having this this rule, you can have a better presentation. Okay, my reference is WikiHow. Give a presentation. I recommended this site very much. WikiHow is a very good site. Every question, every problem, every mistake you can ask about WikiHow. One of the good aspects of this site is about have a simple English. Okay, this site have a simple English sentence and it's a graphical site. Okay, you can use in every aspect of your life about WikiHow. Okay, thank you for listening. Thank you so much. Sorry, my mobile device was continuously ringing and I don't have enough focus on my presentation. However, I don't have enough time to record again. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening. This is Hamid Rouafsa, University of Kholistan. Bye for now.